guys, it's Ashley.
And I'm Liz.
We're back for more here on Dancing in the Kitchen. Continuing on the theme of our harm reduction desserts, we have our final recipe under that theme for you, which is
our banana blueberry ice cream with optional peanut butter.
And when we were talking about this recipe, Liz was letting me know that she and her husband love to add peanut butter to their ice cream, and I was like, that's fantastic because it adds a little bit of extra protein and fat and kind of helps manage your sugar. And so one of the other things I love about this recipe is just how simple it is.
Very simple.
Right?
And the peanut butter makes it creamy. So if you like that really like decadent ice cream, creamy kind of dessert, you'll like this.
Yeah, and you know, when we talk about these harm reduction desserts and we talk about one of the best ways to promote our health and especially our mood and mental health is eating real whole foods. I mean, you guys can see here, we have bananas,
real,
blueberries, peanut butter, and a little bit of salt.
Yes, and this is really good peanut butter.
Yeah, and when you're shopping for peanut butter, dry roasted peanuts and a little bit of palm oil. There's no sugar. Always be on the lookout for the sneaky sugar that they try to put in your peanut butter.
Yeah, your sugar should come from here.
Right, natural sugars. So we do have an ingredient that we're featuring here, and it is bananas.
Bananas.
Yeah.
We've gone bananas today.
We've gone bananas. What's that cheer? It's like, go bananas, go bananas.
I was a cheerleader.
I
That's
was
not
too.
what we're at least saying.
Yeah, that's not relevant, maybe right now.
Unless we want to do a cheer.
Go bananas, go bananas, yeah. All right, so bananas are amazing. And our DP Octavia is shaking her head at us right now.
We're just so random, but
it's part of the fun.
it's part of the charm.
So bananas have a few ingredients, a few substances that comprise them that help promote mood and mental health. One of them is tryptophan. We've talked about that before.
We have.
Tryptophan is a precursor to, do you remember?
I know it makes me really tired.
Serotonin, the neurotransmitter that is usually most commonly talked about when it comes to depression. Yeah, so tryptophan, just as a refresher, is an amino acid, and in the gut, most of our serotonin is produced, and tryptophan is what our gut uses to transform that into serotonin.
Bananas have a lot of like potassium.
They do.
Really
That's
great.
kind of what they're most famous for. And potassium actually helps with cortisol and adrenaline. It helps manage those stress hormones. So it can help promote calm. It can help mitigate the effects of stress. And it actually even can have a physiological impact and reduce the chance of like heart attacks and other stress-induced illnesses.
It's really good to know.
Yeah. A couple other amazing ingredients in bananas are magnesium, which is also calm promoting, and also B9, folate. And again, we're just always kind of revisiting how powerful the B vitamins are for promoting nervous system health. Yeah. Well, I'm excited to get into this yummy ice cream.
Me too.
So
considering we make it a lot in our house.
So let's get, I mean, I don't know if cooking is quite the right word.
Get to blending? Right.
Yeah, I don't know.
We're not doing the blending.
Oh, no. We have machines for
We
that.
have machines for that. It's 2024.
So yeah, we're gonna use some food processor.
Yeah.
Some food processor.
We're gonna use some food
Food
processor.
processor. And we're gonna make this ice cream.
Yeah.
All right, let's get to it. Liz, don't you just wish it could be summer every day?
I really do, especially the ice cream I eat and the amounts of it just suggests summer to me all the time, which leads me right into my new Paint the Muse single, which is called Summer Every Day.
You even wrote a song about it.
I did.
I love
we live
it.
in LA. I mean, you know, it's like summer every day.
It pretty much is. It's like a time warp, but in a good way.
Very good.
Yeah.
So here it is.
Well,
I
let's
hope you
get
like
dancing.
it.
Wake up, okay, it's another gorgeous day. We out here living in LA, where we're Mother Nature's fave. All the people buzz like bees, highlight.
All right, are you ready for an ice cream?
I am, always.
Too. All right, so what I recommend with this recipe, first up, I love it because it's so super simple, is starting with the blueberries so that you've got a little bit of moisture in the food processor by the time you get to the harder frozen bananas. So we're just gonna pour our blueberries into the bowl like that.
Summer every day, can't beat it. Sunshine kind of feeling like summer every day, I need it. Sunshine kind of feeling. Summer every day,
So our nice cream is soft serve, but if you want it a little bit firmer, just pop it in the freezer, and then also you can do that with the leftovers. And for your next serving, just pull it out of the freezer a few minutes before you want to eat it so it can soften up a little. Luna sounds like she wants some.
You want some?
That nice cream was delicious.
So good.
So luscious.
Yes, especially when you play it with my single, Summer Every Day, right?
Perfect pairing.
It is.
All right, well, I want to go lay by the pool and chill. Thank you for joining us here on Dancing in the Kitchen.
Yes, thank you.
What should they do?
Like
us.
Subscribe.
Please.
We love coffee,
Buy some.
so please, yes.
It supports the show.
It does support us in every aspect.
You could even eat your nice cream in your coffee cup.
This is so true. This lovely Dancing in the Kitchen coffee cup. Put it in, get a spoon, it's yours.
Yeah, you buy our merch and it also helps support our show, and you get to have a good time eating ice cream from your custom cup. So, we will see you back here next time on Dancing in the Kitchen. Thank you so much for joining us today. And comment below if there's more you'd like to see or more you'd like to know. Bye.
Can't beat it, sunshine kinda feel